everyone, welcome back to Amagama, the home of African names. Today we're diving into the most popular Xhosa names in South Africa from 2015 to 2018. Whether you're a parent who loves sticking to common names or someone who prefers something a little more unique, we've got you covered. If you lean towards common names, you'll get the scoop on the names that stole the spotlight. And if you're all about standing out, you'll discover the names to avoid. Without further ado, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we've got 4 names sharing the spotlight. These names have a semi-vintage vibe. They're not super old, but they're not exactly modern either. They strike a perfect balance and can stand toe-to-toe with modern names. First up, there is Samkelo, a cool boy's name that can be shortened to Sam. Then we've got Siphe Sihle, an adorable unisex option with a lot of nickname possibilities, such as Esihle, Siphe, or just Sihle. Next in line is Banele, a super popular choice for last-born boys. And rounding out the list is the simple, sweet, and stylish Okuhle. Coming in at number 4 is Luthando. This unisex name made it onto the boys list twice, popping up in both 2016 and 2017. Taking the number 3 spot, we've got Bandile, Lobanzi, and Thando Lwethu. Thando Lwethu is a semi-vintage unisex name that's made a comeback, especially with girls. It was a standout on the girls list in 2015, 2016, and 2017. On the flip side, Lubanzi has been a total winner with the boys, showing up on the boys list in 2016, 2017, and 2018. Then there's Bandile, another semi-vintage gem, which carries the meaning, they have increased. At number 2, we've got Amahle and Enzokuhle. Amahle is a timeless classic and it means beautiful girls or beautiful ones. It's been a total staple, landing on the list every single year from 2015 to 2018. Then there's Enzokuhle, a unisex name that's making waves. It first popped up in 2017 on both the girls and boys lists and came back the next year, holding its spot on both lists again. Claiming the top spot from 2015 to 2018, we have Melokuhle. The name made its grand entrance in 2015, appearing both on the girls and boys lists, and it's been unstoppable ever since, absolutely refusing to leave the charts. And that's a wrap. Any favorites? Drop a comment below and let us know. Till the next one.